You right over there, Frankie? Almost done. Ta-da! Here's how it works, Gwen. So, when you're on low battery, we have to run to power it because you're taking up too much electricity. Frankie, it's your turn. How did you run for so long? Still low battery. What about if I do it? You got this, Gwen! Hang on. If she's running, isn't she using more battery than normal? And won't she overheat?